Chairman. Just another assault. Just another assault on me. Someone using this rubber band.
Hi, Chris. Are you a free man?
Oh yes.
Are you a free man?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so the process was smooth. You were
It was
okay.
very smooth. I think the police has been very fantastic. I mean, they are just following the right proceedings, and we are okay with it. We are ready to assist them anytime. I told them if you call me 1 a.m., I'll rush here. Yes.
And he has just been granted bail. Essentially, they are talking about abatement, and it's quite interesting that they would be looking at Chris in that light, because when the tensions were up, Chris was one of.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice writer organ 70BGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Hey, NDC4, etibe yeni. Ade amuye nyina no, ya munkikan yo. Write it down. Write it where when it rains, it does not go there so that it will not be washed away. Because ade biara amuye biara no, you are going to also face the same. Marking scheme biara amu use ene amu aban mu no. You are going to answer the same questions. Nkofo na omu support omu chairman say yachi chairman yoko yati say ondidi ena ne husu mfano sika amu say ebeye bill no edo dodo enti ebeya muntisu na munja mu chairman mo. So they decided to go and then be in front of the Yoko gate to ensure that nothing bad happens to their chairman. No problem. They were there peaceful for several days. No mumbisa obiashi until police started using their vehicles to push them and all those things. Enti nkofo bi bufu ye. Enti adenu see ye no. Ena guy ba ko ye journalist. Esi Latif was a bibi. Sa guy no. Or a temptation pa. Sa Latif guy. Or a temptation. Ano ko jina ho nkofo ntem. Na sa so report. Na say we a journalist. Na wonem say adia esi no, you don't have any interest in reporting the truth. You don't go and stand where you know that people will hear you. People are angry already at the police. You go and stand in their midst and you are lying that the people are being disorderly. They are causing disorder. What reaction were you expecting? They should clap for you. They should pamper you. So the people were drawing attention that you should report the right thing, say the truth, speak the truth. And then some tempers were. So when they started that, now you started saying they are assaulting you. There is on record. They are assaulting you. Oh, so those of us who were even watching like, well, what's going on? Where is the assault? Then the deputy organizer of the NPP comes there to calm tempest. When you go to when you go to the police and want to go and report this case, you go and tell the police that the deputy organizer of the NPP has also assaulted you.
Hi, Chris. Are you a free man?
Oh yes.
Are you a free man?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so the process was smooth. You were
It was
okay.
very smooth. I think the police has been very fantastic. I mean, they are just following the right proceedings, and we are okay with it. We are ready to assist them anytime. I told them if you call me 1 a.m., I'll rush here. Yes, even 1 a.m., I'll rush here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, I want to quickly find out. Lloyd was invited by the police. We've been in there for close to 2 hours. What's happening in there?
So rightly so, he was invited by the police to assist with investigations as far as the assault on Latif Isu is concerned. And we're here yesterday. They couldn't undergo the process. Today we came and they took him through the process. He wrote his statement, what he knows about it, and he has just been granted bail. essentially they are talking about abatement, and it's quite interesting that they would be looking at Chris in that light, because when the tensions were up, Chris was one of the people who was trying to calm tensions down, and also the people. Even before I even rushed him and offered Latif our apology. But be it as it may, we are done with the process here. They have granted him bail. So we see what next the rest of the processes would look like. Anytime they need him, we'll produce him. He's not a flight risk. He has a permanent place of abode. He's known, and he's an executive of the NPP. So anytime they need him, we'll produce him. That's when we don't have any difficulty at all. And we want to assist in getting to the bottom of the matter, because we are not in the character of attacking people, especially media people, and so on and so forth. So whatever the case is, we will cooperate with the police fully, and to get to the bottom of the matter.
As party executive of the NPP, does development like this teach you that you don't really have to let your party members amass at a particular location where something is happening?
No, not at all. We'll keep amassing. Even in bigger numbers. When they don't do things rightly, we must protest. You understand? Look, I was there throughout the process, because it's an ongoing investigation, because the matter is in court. I don't want to speak to the details of the matter, but some of the things I heard in court yesterday, the charges, I was shocked, because we're all there, and some of the police people I'm seeing here were on the scene. They saw what happened. So you get to court, and some of the things you are seeing and hearing are a bit strange. But be it as it may, once it's an issue of assault, I'm quite careful, and I'm sure the entire party is cautious in dealing with issues of assault. But if they arrest any of our members in a wrongful manner, we will protest. You understand? It is not the way to go. I'm sure that day you were there. You realized that the whole place was peaceful until the police came and rushed into the crowd with their vehicles. That was what got people a bit unraveled. So if the police had not rather come to do what they did there, rushing into people with the vehicles, there wouldn't have been any problem at all. So we didn't cause any problem at the Yoko headquarters.
My final question, latest questions has been, the conversation largely when somebody is arrested is how much was placed on him as a bail. So how much was placed on Chris?
Oh no, this is a self-recognizance bail. So the conditions are a bit different from the normal ones you see there. They won't meet type. So yeah, we are good to go.
That he's being charged now with abatement. Mushe bibi ye o. Journalist amu okrom ha no. Mushe bibi ye. Be very careful. Because you see, parties come and parties go. But it is not in the interest of any media house not to work forever, because every business is there to make profit. Whilst you are making profit, you are expanding. But the kind of favoritism, the kind of polarized reporting, the kind of leftist media we are beginning to see spring forth in this our nation. In this our country, one year, one day you will say, had I no, because NPP will come back. NPP, they will come back. NPP has been in places lower than this, and they have come. They came forth. And the any way ni bio, NPP will come back. Tienshe BBA. We must be very, very careful, extremely cautious with where we are trading, with the direction in which we are proceeding. Media, you must do the right thing. We all saw what happened. That guy, the deputy organizer of NPP, did not touch you. He did not abate any crime. He did not even incite the crowd. You were giving out a bad reportage which angered the people they more because the police were already frustrating them. The people approached you. You started shouting that they are assaulting you. So somebody also touched you from the back. Now that guy crying, he's in prison. Won't I remanded him for 10 days? 10 days in prison. You must be careful. You must be careful because tomorrow is pregnant and nobody knows tomorrow. Thank you. See you in the next one.